Hello, it's Tom Donald from the London Contemporary School of Piano. We guarantee to inspire and free and liberate your piano playing, no matter what your musical background or level is, or whatever genre of music it is that you're interested in pursuing. For the last 20 years, we have been on one simple mission, and that is to change the way the world teaches and learns music. Learning and teaching music is not just an old-fashioned exam-driven model of being a slave to some musical manuscript that was written many years ago where the student has no connection to such music. Instead, playing music is a collaborative effort that is passed down from generation through history and time to create the wonderful music that we have in front of us today. The piano is an instrument of such incredible legacy, and it's an instrument that lives with us throughout time and history, and it lives with us today in so many different styles of music and applications. Great learning and teaching is a collaboration. It's a collaboration between a coach, a teacher, and a student, working together to create great music together, and that's what we do at the school. Many of you would have visited this website because you've seen our tutorials on our YouTube channel or somewhere on social media, or you've been recommended to come and visit our site. And I welcome you to our website and to our world and our community of music lovers all around the world. We have students from over 30 different countries who visit us here in our studios on Baker Street in London, or learn with us online through our many online courses that are available. Some of you are just visiting our website because you want to have a look at our free resources pack to support many of our YouTube videos, which have millions of views throughout the world. Welcome to our world, and I'd invite you to have a look through our site. And if you want to take your playing that next step forward, you should consider booking a discovery session. And a discovery session can be booked no matter where in the world you live. You could be a local in London, you could be somebody living on the other side of the world and take this course with us virtually. A discovery session is a 60-minute session with one of our expert coaches. And our expert coaches are not just first-class elite musicians, they are empathetic, highly specialized education masters. And when I say education masters, I mean they specialize in all forms of teaching. Our team covers students with learning difficulties, students who are new to piano, students who have lifelong challenges in the piano. We have one simple thing we wish to achieve with all of our students, and that is to understand the way you work and relate with music. Through many of our diagnostic exercises and many of the assessments we can make from just seeing the way you think and feel about music, we can remove those barriers and challenges that are holding you back with piano. So I invite you to explore our world, and the first thing you might want to do on this site is get in touch with us and ask for our free tutorials and resources kit. It is just packed with so much useful information. It will serve you for years and it won't cost you a penny. And if you're ready to take that next step forward and get to know us a bit more and join our community, our global, local London community, you can get in touch with us and book a discovery session. We look forward to seeing you soon.